What's up guys, welcome to the video. So how can you make 2,000 bucks every month? And it's a point, every month. We don't care about doing 2,000 bucks in a month and never doing that again. So not about a month in particular, but every fucking month. So how can you make 2,000 bucks every month with only 100 bucks? So it's important to understand that it's really only 100 bucks. And you will need to first write stuff, send emails, and then answer emails. All right, so those are the three things you will need to do. But first, you guys might be like, oh yeah, but what have you done? And it would be a completely 100% okay question. And just so you know, I'm never going to talk in this channel, on this channel, to which you should subscribe and hit the bell button so you can get notified, by the way. Saying nothing. But I'm never going to talk about stuff I haven't done before or am not doing right now, okay? So I'm going to show you my earning for a passive thing that I've done with this exact system that I'm about to show you right now. Let's check that out. All right, guys, so we are in the computer. 1st January to 31st March, we made net volume from sales 6,500 euros, so that's about 8,000 bucks. So in 3 months, that's a bit more than 2,000 bucks, like the video said, but you fucking get it, the idea. It's not the whole of the money that I make. Right here, it's only from one product. I have a couple other ones, but this is the main source, all right? So it's about, 2,500 bucks per month? Well, yeah, something around this in the passive income, and we're going to talk about this right now, so let's fucking go. So guys, you might be like, okay, it's cool. Let's get started. So what are the tools that you need? You need a couple things, really fucking simple. First, you need an email software. What is that? It's basically the thing that will allow you to take email addresses and to have email funnels. So this thing is the thing we are going to pay. It's gonna cost you around 99 bucks. So yeah, it's the only thing we really need. All the rest, we can do that ourselves. So we don't need to pay shit. That's the only thing that it's better to buy, to put down 99 bucks, all right? But most of the time you can have 15 to 30 days free trial. So it's great deals, all right? With 99 bucks, it's actually 99 bucks for 2 months. But let's stick to it, all right? It's even a better deal than what you thought when you click on the video, so it's great. But yeah, so that's it, right? Your email software. We will use that to make email funnels that are adapted to your prospect. Meaning, if someone is interested in losing weight by training, we are not going to talk about diet. And it's super fucking simple. I'm saying this and you might be like, well, duh. But most guys don't do that. In your own niche, guys are fucking retards. They're fucking morons. They don't do what we are about to see. And they don't do it because they don't need to do that. It's simple, guys. Making it online is simple. It requires work like everything, but it doesn't require you to be fucking smart. If you want to get it faster, you will need to be fucking smart, which we are going to talk about right now. So you need your email software so we can have like specific emails with people. The thing to improve your conversion rate, the number of sales you will make, is not your sales skills, right? It's not your sales skills online. Because people who go on a sales page, they need to feel like you're talking to them. And we can do that with a good email software. We're going to talk about this in a moment. So then, what do we need else? Well, we need Teachable. There's many products similar to this. It's basically a software that we can use that is free, that will enable us to take email addresses and to take payments without us having to put money down, all right? The only thing you will have to pay is 10% of whatever you make. If you make 1,000 bucks, you gotta give them 100 bucks, okay? But if you gotta give them 100 bucks, it's better to just pay them 29 bucks, right? But since the video is about 99 per month, we're gonna stick with 99, all right? So it's a great deal as well. You can make money without investing money. Then we will need PayPal. Why do we need fucking PayPal? Well, simple. Most people cannot pay with MasterCard, so it's always better to have PayPal. PayPal is fucking free, alright? You will have a fee of about 2.3%. In Belgium, that's the rate anyway, so just right. 2.3%. It's simple. And then you will need a Gmail account. Why do you need a Gmail account? Well, you don't need a Gmail, but you need an email. And most of the time Gmail is more professional, so it's better to have Gmail. If it's Yahoo, it screams amateurism. Whatever. It screams like you fucking don't know what the fuck you're doing. So it's better to have Gmail. Gmail is more professional. Use fucking Gmail. So you need only those 4 things to make it to those $2,000 per month. So how do you do that? What is the process? Well, let's talk about that. So first I'm about to show you the process. I'm not going to detail every step of it right now. I'm just going to show you the process, like the 40,000 view foot, whatever, how it works. Yeah, let's not make it too complicated, right? So the process is quite simple. Since we have an email software, because an email software is the only thing that will enable you to have a custom contact with the people that you'll be getting money from, all right? So if you make a video, for example, in this video, you don't feel especially like I'm talking to you, right? But if I send you an email and you see kevinphilip@gmail.com and I send you an email with your name on it, it's gonna be way more personal than a fucking video. And then if I adapt those emails to your own likings, to what you fucking like, you're gonna be like, fuck, this dude fucking knows me. Like, I never clicked on his diet shit, and so he's only talking to me about his training shit. What the fuck is he doing? And then the only ads that I see from him is that training shit. What? So guys, it's really fucking simple. When you talk to someone online, the way you're gonna make the most money is if you make those people feel like you're talking to them. When you see ads right now, you don't see ads about shit you don't care. You only see ads about stuff that you care about. If you love dogs, you're probably seeing ads about dogs. I never saw any ads about dogs because I don't care about them. I see ads about email marketing, internet marketing, about training, about dieting, only things that I care about. So it's personal, it's personalized. That's how you make money online. And that's what we're gonna do right now. So you have your landing page, all right? LP. Landing page where you take their first name, important to have their first name and their email address, right? Fucking simple. You can do that with Teachable and you can integrate with your email software. It's dummy fucking simple. You type that online, they probably have guides to explain how it works. Fucking simple, just get that done, right? It's gonna take you like a day. After a day you can take email addresses. Fast, simple, go do it. Then, like we will take email addresses by exchanging something for free, right? We offer a free guide, we offer a free training, we offer value in exchange for the email address, all right? So for example, we exchange a guide about diet, how to diet so that you can live to 200 years old. So we know that they're interested in this, right? So then we will send them in an email funnel that is specific to the fucking shit they ask for, okay? And we send them those emails related to this. If you want to know more about what to say in those emails, I have a fucking bunch of other videos. You can just go check them out. There's a link right there or in the description of the video, and we'll talk more about this in details. I'll even show you one of mine funnels. It's so fucking simple. You just talk about you talk about them, you talk about how people have used your shit and succeeded, and you talk about your shit, right? So it's basically an intro, it's basically a case study, and then it's a pitch, okay? Fucking simple. They click on that, they get the funnel where you talk about something else, and you do the same fucking shit all the fucking time, and you repeat that for as many products as you have, alright? So you need to have products. They don't have to be yours, you can take someone else's product. This is called affiliation. Super fucking simple. You just find products that you like and that your audience will fucking like. So you have your landing page, you have your email funnel, and what your email funnel really wants to do is to get people on your sales page, because that's where you make the money. You don't make the money here, you don't make the money there, you make the money here. So you want to get as many people right there as you can, okay? So you send people on your sales page. On your sales page, you can do that with Teachable as well. I've actually started my own with Teachable as well. I made like, I don't know, $6,000 with Teachable in a couple months when I first started, like in 2016, when I launched my first product, my ebook product about fitness. I made 6,000 couple months. I don't really know how many months I did that, but I know that I used Teachable and it was free, okay? So, man, you fucking can do that without needing money. Basically, you just write shit. I have videos about how to sell well online. It's not really about what you say here, it's more about what you say there, okay? So selling online is more about this thing right there than this thing here. In this thing here, you just need to address their fears, their insecurities. You just need to like bait them. But right here, you really need to smooth talk them, all right? So here is when you close, here's when you pitch, okay? So it's a good way to see that. But the best thing is to produce so much value right there that when they get here, they already want to buy your shit. That's the best way to make money online. So you create your sales page, fucking simple with Teachable. When you create a new product with Teachable, you can just click on sales page and you can write whatever the fuck you want. Fucking simple, fucking fast, you don't need money, you can just do that right away. So you're writing your shit, you put your product on it, and you use the processor payment, the payment processor of Teachable to take payments basically, and you just give them 10%. Once you're making enough money, you just start paying them a monthly fee, and you don't have to pay them shit. And guys, that's really all there is to this thing. It's the fucking simple fucking process. Landing page, email funnel, sales page. And sales page for every product that you have to sell. So it's so fucking simple. I know it's retarded, right? But come on, it's not that hard to sell. It's not that hard to sell that kind of stuff. You look at any internet marketer, and when I say internet marketer, I mean fitness coach, I mean, I don't know, whatever people are selling online, I'm talking about those guys. This is what they're doing. It's not that fucking complicated. All you need is to have a good product. Good product, good offer, good understanding of your people. But come on, if you're interested in a product in a specific niche, you probably already know the people because it's you. So the best way to make money is to create a product that you care, that you love. For example, myself, when I wrote my ebook, that's the ebook that I wished I got when I was 18 years old. That's why it's working well. I don't know how much I've sold with that on the ebooks. $15,000, $15,000 in a year and a half, maybe. I don't really know, but good money. So success online is not about doing this magic thing. It's about doing the writing about this thing, creating that shit, then creating that fucking email, that fucking pitch, that fucking then creating your fucking sales page, blah blah blah, then creating your content so that you attract people, and a lot of people want to have your free guide and shit. That's how you make money online. So all you need to succeed is to have attention of people. That's really all you need. Who gives you the money? People. So how can you make them give you money? Get their attention. In a good way, right? If they hate you, it's not gonna work that well. If they like you, they might give you some money in exchange for more value, okay? So they're not gonna give you money just because they like you. That's not the world works. People give you money when you offer more value than what they perceive the money is. So for example, if someone is teaching you to build your business for $1,000, it's great value. If they help you right, okay? If it's only like shitty, that's not great value. You really need to offer shit in exchange for money. So yeah guys, I hope the video was helpful. I hope it really opened your eyes to like the easiness of all of it. And all you need to do is just to put that into action. Make it happen, guys. It requires time, effort, patience to do that stuff because it's time, right? You need to write it, you need to automate it, you need to check it to make sure everything is working at every stage. But once it's done, that's it. You don't need to do more than that. So guys, I hope you can apply that shit to your own business, to your own venture online. And well, subscribe to the YouTube channel because I'm gonna keep making great videos. Well, I hope you think they're great. If you're here, you probably think they're great. So thank you for that. And thank you for watching my dumbass. So, but yeah, alright, so I'm gonna shut the fuck up now and I'm gonna go edit this video. Alright, see you in the next one, guys.